What's up, everybody? Deangelo here. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So, I thought I would give you guys an update on the adult method. So, started a brand new campaign today, and in 2 hours, it made $265. All right, so you can see right here, $80 at 12:11, $35, 12:33. Then we got we at here $65, 147, and then $85 at 148. Like just in those 2 minutes right there, over 100. Like literally in a minute. And it also took this screenshot right here so you guys can see that it is the actual date, and it's today's date. So you see the 30th here. Like, I have not talked about this method in like literally over the entire year that I've been doing it because I didn't have, like, there was no way that I could even charge for this method. Like, this is every single day starting. There was no way that I could charge what this method was worth, so I just didn't say anything about it. Like, at all. Like, and the only reason I can talk about it now and charge what I charge for it now is because I'll be able to make more money off of everybody, putting in work and stuff like that, right? That's the only reason. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. I would have kept my mouth shut about it even longer. Like I said, low end, $100 a day. So let's say you buy this course for $1,000 and you get your money back in 10 days. And it's not you don't, and that's just this one method. That's not including the Cash App methods. That's not including Google Trends that bought my house cash in 10 days. That's not including the CPA marketing stuff that I've been doing and making six figures a year with that. That bought my car out there, that also doesn't include Amazon FBA, which I took $300 and turned that into over $40,000 in gross sales within 8 months. Like, that doesn't include any of that. This is literally one method out of everything. Just one. That's wild to think about. And it's not like it's rocket science or anything along those lines. If you have not picked this up yet, guys, I don't know what to tell you. I really don't. Like, I don't know what to tell you. Like, this is just as easy as the Cash App methods or whatnot. Because you could technically do this with, like I said, even with the Cash App methods, you can do it with any payment process. It's that people just really fuck with the Cash App nowadays. So that's like one of the main ones that I use or whatnot. But you can do this with PayPal, Venmo, Zelly, literally any one that you want to do. Like, it's not just Cash App. Like, and I gotta say that because people are like, oh man, I don't have Cash App in this country, or my Cash App account got shut down, or what. Like, it does not have to be Cash App. This is just what I'm using just for the video, whatever. You can use whatever payment processor that you want. You can even have your own and take payments through your website, like if you really wanted to go that far. But anyway, let's just talk about it, because this was very simple. We used virtually 3 apps. Right now, obviously, I'm not going to say what those 3 apps are because, again, people have paid for this information. But we use 3 apps here, and we funnel all of that traffic from these 3 apps to our main app. And then from there, we just send out messages. And it's really not that difficult at all. Like, that's it. We just get one message, and then we just literally forward it to our entire friends list. And that's where these payments came from, right here. It's just literally forwarding a message. That's it. I'm telling you guys, the adult method, get into the adult niche, maybe do a little bit of research, into the stuff. Because I know some people do not mess with the adult niche at all. But literally low end $100 a day. So, like I said before, the reason I kept my mouth closed about this method for the longest time is just because I couldn't charge what it was worth. Like, let's say I charged $20,000 for this method right here. You'd still be in profit within a year. You'd make what? $16,000 in profit. You wouldn't even be able to do that with a house. You bought a house for 20 grand, even a dirt cheap house that you, of course, you got to put some money in for that price. But let's say you bought a house for $20,000 and you had to, and let's say you charge rent of $1,000 a month, right? It would still take you over, well, almost 2 years to get your money back. And this right here is just like that. And there's damn near no money up front. Like damn near no money at all. It's crazy. Trains going right now, the police siren. Like everybody wants to do everything while I'm like working right now. The one time I'm actually doing a little bit of work. But yeah, and that's again just the adult method. That's not including CPA marketing. That's also in here, right? That's not including Amazon FBA. That's also in here. Like we took with the CPA marketing, you guys know I make 6 figures in CPA marketing. Like this video right here is me making $34,000 in 28 days with CPA marketing. Bought the car, the Camaro with CPA marketing. Bought my house cash in 10 days with Google Trends. That's in here. Like if you follow me and you don't make money, like I honestly just don't know what to say. I damn near give this stuff away for free. And again, and the Cash App methods are in here as well. Don't know. But that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to give you guys some payment proofs. I'm pretty sure some people will be upset that I didn't tell them exactly what it is for free. Like I just don't get that mindset. Like again, some of these people will go and pay $50,000, $100,000 and have to wait 4 years to see results, and they aren't guaranteed a job or anything other than a piece of paper, and they expect someone to give them information for free on something that's going to make them literally thousands of dollars. I wouldn't say overnight, but starting you'll see results tomorrow or today, depending on what type of effort you put into it. But anyway, all right, I'm done rambling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell.